Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to do a review of some new shave products we got on hand. The Myrsol shave soap and aftershave. You guys have probably seen this around, a classic. And we're going to also be comparing and doing a little shootout of the Rockwell Rookie against the classic Gillette Super Speed. Let's get started. All right, we are all lathered up with the Myrsol. Tell me how to pronounce this. We just picked up this product line and I've only seen it in writing. I've never heard anyone say it. Is it Myrsol, or something else? Anywho, the Don Carlos 1972. This is a classic, masculine, old school smell. I love it, and very happy to be lathering up with this product. I have seen this product on the market, the Myrsol brand, for years. I think one of the first products I remember really, seeing when I was a young wet shaver, and I always wanted to get some. I never did, but now as a store owner, I said, you know what, let's just pick it up, and we'll see how it does. And so we picked up the whole line, and this is my debut shave with it. So the lather performance, it's a very dense lather. In fact, it took me a little bit longer than normal to build a lather just because I was kind of getting used to it. I did put my classic Parasol pre-shave on underneath. I always do that, so it's kind of a constant I hold for myself. My skin just loves that Parasol stuff. Okay, and we're going to be doing, we're going to be looking at the Rockwell Rookie razor, as it's called, which I believe is made third party by Weishi. I could be wrong about that, but I have a very good kind of guess that it's being made by Weishi because it looks so much like a Weishi. So beautifully, polished and plated. This is supposed to be their beginner double-edged razor. In fact, we're going to be redoing our shaving kits and putting this in the kits we just got them in. And I just wanted to kind of shoot it out next to the classic Gillette Super Speed that so many razors are based off of. And you can see the similarities here. They look very similar in so many regards. I guess I could have grabbed a flare tip Super Speed to have that very similar checkered kind of handle, but I grabbed the 1940s style. I figured it went better with the Myrsol shave soap and aftershave look. Anywho, so we're going to load these both up with a Paul Silver blade that's got one shave on it each. So we try to hold that constant. And sometimes I use a brand new blade. Sometimes I do so many of these reviews, guys, that I just don't want to waste a blade and have to put a new blade in every time. So for me, I know I've been using Paul Silver blades for years. I know exactly how many shaves. I usually get 4, 5, 6 shaves out of it. So using it 1 or 2 shaves in is almost identical for my purposes. Okay, so we're lathered up. We got loaded up with Paul Silver. Let's set an establishment of how this razor feels the Super Speed on my right side here. Very nice. Easy. Very close. Not the baby butt smooth with one pass. It's not that, but it's definitely very close and comfortable. First couple strokes here. Let's go right over to other side. Very comparable. First initial thought. Let's keep on going. The Myrsol Don Carlos smells great. making short work of this. So the Rockwell Rookie here, I think, is a wonderful razor to get people started into double edge shaving. It's very similar to the Vanderhagen or Micro Touch 1. It does feel a tiny bit more aggressive though, so I'm actually happy about that because I've used the Micro Touch 1 in the past, and I always just felt it was so mild. And you may say to yourself, well, Matt, wouldn't a mild razor be great for a beginner? Well, yeah, you want mild, but you don't want too mild where the person's now kind of pushing in on their skin so hard to combat that mildness. That's just carrying over the same bad habits from cartridge razors. We don't want that. But this is definitely better. I do notice a difference on the end cap. So they may have worked with Weishi or someone else in China to develop this razor. It's just, yeah, made in China. They may have developed something a little bit different. The shaving head may be a little bit more aggressive. So I think it's good. Yeah, I would say these two razors are very similar, the Super Speed and the Rookie. If I had to give the edge, no pun intended, or is it? If I had to give the edge to either one, I'd say Super Speed. But just by a hair. I'm feeling very punny today. Tell you guys, it's always so strange to shave like this. I'm looking down at a tiny little desktop mirror that's off to the side. It's so much more enjoyable to shave at home after a nice shower. Your skin's all warm and soft. I got some soil on my elbow here. Just before I come in the studio, I'm always doing something in the workshops. I was just working on a piece of machinery. I got notified that our video studio was ready to start shooting. I said, okay, I'll be right up. Both these are very good razors. They feel very, very similar. Easy to recommend this for a beginner or even someone who's maybe looking for a second razor or gift. One advantage of the Rockwell is the price point. I think it's under, right around $20 or so US. Unless you find a Super Speed at a thrift store, good luck trying to beat that price because usually good condition Super Speeds are going to be, maybe double that or, if it has a case like this, maybe triple that. So excellent value. Really enjoying that Myrsol shave soap. Again, it did take a little bit more work to lather the Myrsol. but every soap's a little bit different, and you have to kind of learn it. Okay, time for the big finish. Let's put a little dab of this. Just a dab will do you. And like I said, I'm not normally one to use alcohol aftershaves, but I couldn't help myself with the classic look of the bottle and the typeface and everything about the Myrsol. It just screams old school, and it feels like a trip to the barber shop. It feels great. Washing out my brush a little bit. So, our Showdown, I guess. It wasn't really a complete showdown, but I guess in some ways it was. The Rockwell Rookie did very well. I enjoyed it, and it's definitely a better upgrade than the Micro Touch 1 or the Weishi or Vanderhagen. It definitely feels better than that. And the Super Speed performed perhaps a hair better, and maybe just a little bit smoother, a little bit more aggressive, but so much of a shade of gray, guys. These were very, very comparable shaves. I think Rockwell did a great job producing this razor for the masses, and hopefully if you guys are looking to get started with wet shaving, or someone else you know is looking to get started, get them in that razor. That's a great one. My Myrsol did great. Again, is it Myrsol? Myrsol? It's made in Barcelona, Spain since the 40s. It's a great product line. We're happy to have picked it up now at Razor Emporium. So let me know in the comments below. And if you do, you're entered to win this, the Razor Emporium Black and Blue official t-shirt. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our channel. Click the bell to notify you when we come out with new videos. Subscribe to our channel to always be part of this and never miss a beat. And we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.